We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can turn on or turn off the camera motion tracking for this MIBAO D100 IP camera. So first you will need to launch the IPC 360 app, then sign in if you haven't already, open your camera view, and that's how you enable the motion tracking. So if I will move my hand, it will track it. And once the camera will be observing your room, it will also adjust its position accordingly with whatever motion it detects in the room. So if I were to show my hand here, it will move towards it, as you can clearly see. Or here, on the left, it will move to the left, or it should move, yep, moves perfectly fine. Get it to the bottom, yep, so all the axes work just fine. And once you would like to switch this feature off, just tap at the same icon, and once the icon is crossed, or has this middle line, that means that the tracking feature is switched off, so the camera will not follow any motion and will be stationary unless you will manually adjust its position using this navigation or reference image. So that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.